Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. Today you've caught me in my combat clothes. I'm up here at the shop working on the Midget today. So let me show you the Midget. This is a right-hand drive 1968 Midget, around there. And we've welded in all the stuff. You've seen some of these pictures before, but we've welded in these panels. I've had this here for a long time. I've just got these panels back from the sandblaster, the front wings and the front nose. So those are all set to be primed, and we've got to do some. Sarah, my photographer, is going to come in here kind of close, and you're going to see the line here where these pieces have been joined, tack welded, but those have yet to be leaded in, so that we get a nice good seam there. And the nose, you can see that there's been some, just little stuff. You might not even see it after it's painted, in the rubber excluders on there and everything. But we got some ragged edges here. Just kind of smooth it up, make it nice and straight, because it's going to be black. And oh boy, black is the most difficult of all the colors to prep for. Red's the most expensive to paint. So I've got all these boxes up here of stuff. I'm doing stuff. So everything in the boxes is already done. I worked on the handbrake handle just the other day. So here it is. It's all nice and free. I painted the back side of it because I couldn't get in there to do anything more than just a real coarse cleaning, but I did take it apart, lubed it, everything. So there's red grease. I love red grease. Red grease on the inside of this all over, painted this stuff up. I took the handbrake cable. We could be here all day, but the video is going to be that long. Took the handbrake cable and cleaned that all off, greased it from the middle, slid it back and forth. And remember that this cable is fixed on one end on the rear axle. But on the front end, you can adjust it, and that's what adjusts the handbrake cable on a Midget. Okay, is adjusting the outer sheath. So it's a different way of adjusting, but it's perfectly acceptable. Works. So there's just all kinds of stuff in here that I've already prepped and got done. Yesterday I buffed up the spinners. Had a bunch of those that I could look for, but here's bits and pieces to go into the gas tank. Just cleaned up, individually cleaned up. So you work at all these bits and pieces, you get all these bits and pieces done, all done, and then you put the whole car together. So another time we'll talk about getting things sequenced correctly. Anyway, so I'm just in pig heaven here, getting to take apart and fix all kinds of stuff. The next video we're going to do is about the Midget A-arm. I'm going to do that today, right here. Look at the next video, and you can see some more about MG Midgets. Until then, safety fast.